Are you a student ready to unlock the creative power of Adobe Creative Cloud at a discounted price? First things first, let's understand the benefits. With the student discount, you gain access to the full suite of Adobe apps Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more all at a fraction of the regular cost. This is your golden ticket to creating amazing projects. So, let's secure that discount. Head over to the Adobe website, look for the student and teacher section or the educational offer, and select your preferred subscription plan. Click Buy Now to begin the application process. Now for the crucial part, verification. Adobe requires proof of your student status. Typically, they accept documents like a current student ID card, a transcript, or an official letter from your educational institution. Your student ID, make sure it clearly shows your name, the name of your school, and a valid enrollment date. Take a clear photo of the front and back. A transcript must be official and include your name, the name of the educational institution, the courses you're taking, and the institution's seal or stamp if needed. Download it or take a photo of it. During the purchase process, you'll be prompted to upload your proof. Adobe's system is designed to make this simple. Usually, a clear picture of either the front or back of your document must be submitted. Next, give it a minute. Adobe will review your documentation. It usually takes a few minutes to get verified, depending on the demand at the time. Once your student status is verified, you'll receive confirmation, and then you're all set. You've unlocked your student discount, allowing you to access all the creative tools you need to excel in your studies and beyond. Now it's time to create something amazing. Enjoy your Adobe Creative Cloud experience, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.